So today we discuss the one of the numerical based on this multiplexer 8:1 Mux. So here the numerical is implement the logic function a XNOR b XOR c using 8:1 Mux. As the functionality is given in the form of a XNOR b XOR c, as the symbol shows, this is the XNOR and the XOR c using 8:1 Mux, and the inputs are a, b and the c. Okay, and we don't know the value of this ABC. Basically we don't know the value of ABC. So as function table, first of all, that functional table, just we will see here how to solve that numerical, that is implement the logic functional a XNOR b XOR c using 8:1 Mux. So first of all, you'll have to draw the functional table for this. As already I told you that we don't know the value of ABC, so that's why I consider here that numbers for this ABC 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. Again, that numbers for three inputs ABC as our relation 2 raised to power n is equals to m, that number of input or number of input lines. So here that number of input are 3. So by using this, we are having with the 8 data inputs. So by using this relation, we have to just write here that inputs for D0 to D7 at 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 up to 1, 1, 1. Next, for that function, as the output we are having with, we have to just find out the value of this function, as function f is equals to a XNOR b XOR c, as XNOR and XOR. So first you should know about the truth table or the value of this XNOR and XOR gate. So for your reference, I am just showing here the truth table of this XOR and XNOR gate. So as XNOR gate, 0, 0 is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, as all of you know that, and XOR is what 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, as exactly opposite of this OR gate. Yes, this is what XOR and XNOR. So by using these two truth table, we have to just solve that function. Yes, as three input, basically that a XNOR b XOR c. So first of all, that we have to just consider the first one, that is a b. So a XNOR b. So by using this truth table, a XNOR b, a XNOR b, so 0, 0 is 1. So here the 1 XOR c. So 1 XOR c, that is 0. So 1 XOR 0. So 1, 0 is 1. So that's why the value here 1. Okay. Next, here 0, 0, again that 0, 0 is 1, 1, 1, so 1, 1 is 0. Next 0, 1, so 0 XNOR 1 is 0, 0 XNOR 1 is 0, and 0 XOR 0 is 0. Again it is going to be 0. Next 0, 1, if you consider for 4, so 0, 1, so it is what 0, 1, it's 0, 0 XNOR 1 is 0, and this 0 XOR 1, 0 XOR 1 is 1, so it is again 1. Okay. Next, here that fifth one, that's 1, 0. If you consider 1, 0, so 1, 0, 1 XNOR 0 is 0, and 0 XOR 0 is again 0. For this 1, 0, next value 1, 0, again 1, 0 is 0, and 0, 1 is what your 1. For this next 1, 1 is 1, and 1, 0 is your 1. And lastly that 1, 1, 1. So if you consider that 1, 1, 1 is what 1, and exactly 1, 1 is 0 in this case, so here the value is 0. In this way, we have to just solve the function table for this numerical, that is a XNOR b XOR c, as they given us that function. Okay, so in this way we are having with the value for this function from 0, 0, 0 to 1 1 1. Now see how to solve by using 8 is to 1 mux. So this is, we are having with this truth table, and by using this function table we have to just draw the 8 is to 1 mux. So first of all you have to just draw the okay, this is your 8 is to 1 mux block, 8 input lines, okay, started with your D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and your D7. So here the 3 select lines we are having with the, for these 3 select line as 3 select lines as which one, that is A, B and C, and the output, that function here, that function of here is equals to A dot means A XOR B XOR C. Okay, so the value for this we are having with that first is what your 1, next what 0 0 1 0 1 1 and 0. Okay, so see this is what the our final logic circuit for 8 is to 1 mux for this function. Okay, so here as if you select that ABC as 0 0 0, if you consider that ABC is started with this 0 0 0, so ABC is 0 0 0, so first as D0 is going to be selected and the value of D0 is 1, the value of D0 is 1 and that value of 1 is going to be function, so final value for this F is what, 1. Okay, in this way, for if we consider that 0 0 1, so next value is 0 0 1, so that D1 is selected and the value of D1 is 0, so here the next function value is 0, we got some by using this 8 is to 1 mux. Next if we consider that 101, that 101 is what your D5, 101 is D5, at random I am selecting the D5. So for this D5 is 101, so 101 as D5 is to be selected and finally that function as A XOR B XOR C, that value is to be got, so that is 1. Okay, so this type of numerical is what we can solve by using 8 is to 1 mux. Okay, thank you.